Installing a clean energy EV charger. That's how one East Coast company is staying ahead as the wave of electrification continues to grow. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. Based in Valencia, New York, Plug-in Stations Online is among the first in the world to install a hydro-powered EV charger that operates off 100% clean energy.
In today's world, being concerned about the fact that a lot of the generation could come from things like nuclear, could come from hydro, or it could come potentially from coal, we're guaranteeing that this is 100% green energy.
The charger lies just 100 feet from the Valencia Falls hydropower plant. The two companies work in conjunction to provide clean power and reliable solutions for America's infrastructure. And this project has been several years in the making.
It's kind of amazing to be in the position that I've been put in here. It's been a lot of fun. It's been great to actually bring an old hydroelectric plant back to life and then be able to actually connect it to a charger and be able to charge our vehicles that way. It's been a dream since the day that I purchased the plant.
Duran says the installation illustrates the feasibility of utilizing clean power and small hydro to transport people. Research shows that utilizing clean energy sources like hydropower have far-reaching effects that go beyond environmental significance, such as reducing poverty, increasing access to education, and improving public health.
I would say the mission here is to do the best that we can by our customers to convert all of the ways that human beings get transported around the world to electricity.
Plug-in Stations Online offers high-performing EV charging equipment, and the company sells, designs, installs, and maintains the infrastructure necessary for the adoption of electric modes of transportation, all along the East Coast of America. Duran says this is a win across the board for the environment, the public, and for their clients.
I'm talking about all the way from snowmobiles and side-by-sides all the way up to airplanes. So just the sheer breadth of opportunity that is there is super exciting to see how the world is going to change over the next 10 to 15 years.
Thanks so much, John, for taking the time to speak with us. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great night, and I'll see you all next time.